Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of digital currencies. Today, we're here to discuss the burning question on everyone's mind. Is crypto the next big move? Will it revolutionize the way we handle money and investments? Let's find out. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The rise of cryptocurrency. Over the past decade, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the financial world by storm. They've gained significant traction and captured the attention of investors, tech enthusiasts, and even governments. But what makes crypto so appealing? Montage of cryptocurrency-related news headlines and graphs showing the growth of Bitcoin. Advantages of cryptocurrency. One of the key advantages of cryptocurrency is its decentralized nature. Traditional financial systems are controlled by centralized institutions, such as banks and governments. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, operate on a decentralized network called blockchain, where transactions are transparent, secure, and independent of any single authority. Animated representation of a decentralized blockchain network. Another significant advantage of crypto is its potential for financial inclusivity. With traditional banking systems, millions of people worldwide don't have access to basic financial services. Cryptocurrencies can bridge this gap, allowing anyone with an internet connection to participate in the global economy. Shots of people in underserved areas using smartphones to access cryptocurrencies. Challenges and risks. While the potential of cryptocurrency is undeniable, there are challenges and risks that need to be addressed. One of the main concerns is its volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate dramatically, which makes it a risky investment for some. Regulatory issues, security breaches, and scams also pose risks that need to be carefully managed. Screenshots of news articles highlighting crypto market volatility and security concerns. Adoption and future outlook. Despite the challenges, the adoption of cryptocurrencies is growing rapidly. Major companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Square have embraced crypto payments, and even traditional financial institutions are exploring ways to integrate cryptocurrencies into their services. This level of acceptance indicates a promising future for the industry. Logos of companies that have embraced cryptocurrencies. Additionally, advancements in blockchain technology are opening up new possibilities beyond just digital currencies. Smart contracts, decentralized applications, and tokenization have the potential to revolutionize various industries, from supply chain management to healthcare. Animated graphics showcasing the potential applications of blockchain technology. Conclusion. So, is crypto the next big move? Well, it certainly has the potential to reshape our financial landscape. The decentralized nature, financial inclusivity, and innovative capabilities of cryptocurrencies make them a force to be reckoned with. However, as with any emerging technology, it's crucial to approach it with caution, educate ourselves, and stay informed. Shots of someone reading educational resources and news articles about cryptocurrencies. That wraps up today's discussion on the future of crypto. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the world of cryptocurrencies. As always, remember to do your research and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.